Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn Hurt from Johnny Cash. So this is just 3 chords. So by now you should recognize those chords as the A minor, strumming down from the 5 string. And then going to the C, strumming down from the 5 string again. And then transitioning to the D and strumming down from the 4 string. Okay, and then back to the A minor. The strum pattern here is an individual pluck of the first 2 strings, so. And then you go ahead and downstroke on the remaining 3 strings. Right? 5, 4, downstroke. 5, 4, downstroke. And then 5, 4, downstroke. And then D is going to be 4, 3, downstroke. Right? So. So we let that A minor ring out a little bit longer. So 1, 2. So you see we don't wait as long between the transition of the C to the D. If we're counting like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, it wouldn't even be a whole note we are waiting for between the transition from C to D. So. That can be a little bit tricky at first, but you just have to keep practicing. On the transition from the C to the D, I find it's easiest to go and then move that first finger over to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then move your middle finger to the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then finally place that index finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So, like this. And then this one moves to here, then the middle finger moves to here, and then finally that 3rd finger comes down on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Right? And when transitioning from the D to the A minor, what I want you to do is I want you to, again, move that first finger first, and we're going to take the first finger off here, and we're going to go ahead and place it on the 1st fret and the 2nd string with that first finger, right? So we're going to go from here, the D position with your first finger, to the A minor position, and start that movement by taking your first finger off and putting it on the 1st fret and the 2nd string, right, with the first finger. And then after we've done that, we can initiate the movement of the middle finger and the index finger, right? So we come here, and then I would recommend bringing that middle finger off and up first to the 4th string, 2nd fret, and that's with the middle finger, and then having the ring finger follow shortly behind and come down on that 3rd string, 2nd fret with the ring finger. So here we go again. So up close look here. We go, this finger comes off first, comes to the A minor, and then these 2 guys come over afterwards, right? And so after a while, they'll move so quick that you can't really see it. But there actually is a way to transition from chord to chord and an order in which you should move your fingers that will make it easier. So in this one, it's 1st, 2nd, 3rd in that order, right? And then so I think we have practiced the A minor transition to the C. It's really simple. All you have to do is take your ring finger off and bring that up to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and that's with your ring finger. So from there, then we practice the transition from the C to the D, again initiating the move with the first finger, bringing it over to that to the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and then bringing the 2nd and 3rd finger down after you move that first finger. So for these chord transitions, we're really doing it in order of fingers. So we move the first finger first, second finger second, and then the third. So index first, middle finger second, and then ring finger. And same goes when we go from that D to the A minor. First, second, third, down. Okay, so that's the hardest part when you're learning chord transitions, is basically knowing which finger should go first. Okay, and so I want you guys to realize that it can be a lot easier to learn different chord transitions if you focus on the most effective ways for you to move your fingers and the order in which you move them. So pay attention to that, and I'm going to do my best to explain how you should move your fingers and the order in which you should move them to help you make progress a lot quicker. These are things that I was never taught by any of my guitar instructors, but they're definitely little tiny methods that you can use to get progress faster and learn chord transitions a lot quicker and easier. So focus on that and practice this song, this piece of the song. We're going to learn the actual chorus on another day, because the chorus includes an F minor, which we're not going to be learning for a little while until we master these first 5 songs and these little pieces of the 5 songs. Then we're going to go focus on some other stuff. But I just want you learning a few different pieces of a few different recognizable songs so that we're having fun and you're making progress, yet we're also developing our skills in a very linear fashion and a very focused fashion, so we're not overloading you with too much content and too many exercises and too many songs all at once. All right, so great job. Keep up the good work. We'll be back shortly.